are out of Mexican Hat, Utah. I believe we are getting ready to go over the Moki Dugway. Check out Mark's driving skills. Pavement ends 800 feet. Yep, this is the Moki Dugway. I've heard a lot about this road. Look at this. Yeah, this is the Moki, what they call the Moki Dugway. Outside of Mexican Hat, Utah. Headed toward the Natural Bridge. Wow. This would be a nice place to stop. Kind of road you have on the Moki Dugway.
Said we're on that inside.
Yeah. Wait to see the drone video of that. Oh man, it's just this will be a video by itself. The Moki Dugway.
Now we're on the outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
Funny how that works.
Yeah, we're going higher and higher. Thank goodness there's no afternoon traffic.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
bridge, which is incredible in its own. I was above all this with my drone.
Look at this truck up here.
Yeah. Is he coming this way? He is.
He is.
Well, I would get to a wide spot and wait him out. Like right here.
Actually, you're right.
Well, we waited on this guy.
Park service.
Ah, okay. The Park Service. So we're on our way again. To Moki Dugway. I wonder where it got its name.
Now we'll be on that side.
Yeah, there you go. Reflector. I can't imagine anybody coming up here at night,
Oh, yeah.
driving it at night. Well, we're getting close to the top. Looks like. The drone video to go along with this. Shortcut from Mexican Hat to the Natural Bridge National Park. Wow, look at that. Wow. We're gonna hit pavement again. All right. We made it. Yay! The Moki Dugway. It wasn't on the agenda. It wasn't on the itinerary.